Hello everybody. Today we will discuss one of the most important topics, that is income tax on salary for the year 21-22. It is very much important for us to know what should be our tax portion of our salary. So today I will share with you one of my Excel format which will guide you properly, and within a second you will get the income tax portion of your salary, so that you can make your planning of income tax and you can deduct your income tax from salary monthly basis on a planned basis. You can submit the quarterly tax return, so automatically everything will be smooth and will be in a proper way. So this is today, you just follow what is I'll submit to you, that one of the Excel that will guide you to get your correct income tax under both method. At present there are two methods of taxation, tax calculations are going on, so you will get both and you can understand which is most suitable for you, whether the old one or the new one. So let's start. So this is our file. There are two slab rates are there, old tax slab and new tax slab. I have already taken some example. So in this page, income tax slab, you can get the difference of your income if you go by old tax slab rate as well as you can go by new tax slab rate. So first of all, this is the end one. I'll start with the first one first. So this is the page salary 21-22. You should start over here. Suppose April 21, that is the first month. So your basic salary, what is your HRA, what is your conveyance allowance, ex gratia, leave salary, LTI MRA, leave travels assistance and MRA, allowance. There are so many allowances you can put over here. I have given the space of 5 types of allowances. So allowance 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you will get the gross income. So this is the first. What you have to do, you have to fill up only the first line, that is the April month. Automatically it will filled up by everything. So you will get the gross income. Similarly, on gross income, the deduction part is here, that is PF, 12% of your basic salary, professional tax I have taken, and this is the TDS part. I will come separately on this issue. Next, total deduction is coming, and after that, gross minus deduction, that is the net take home salary. So again and again I am telling you what you have to do. Only you have to fill up the first part, first month only, that's all. Then automatically it will fill up the whole thing, what you will get. Now you come to the yearly gross salary. So 17 lakhs 7,200 is the yearly gross, and professional tax 2,400. So now education allowance, conveyance allowance, total taxable income on salary, net of that is the deduction from salary, that is our standard deduction, that is 50,000 rupees. So net taxable income is coming. I have given the provision of 2 lakhs rupees, that is for interest on housing. Everybody are getting, so you can put your actual over here. So I have taken the full one, that is 2 lakhs rupees. So total income, and after that 80C, automatically we are getting 80C, that is 1,50,000 for the total income. Mediclaim 25,000, medical reimbursement and LTA 5,000. Alternative year you can claim all these things. So automatically your net taxable income after getting these types of deductions is coming 12,69,800. Next, this is the slab. Here you will get everything. So up to 2,50,000 there is no tax, 0. 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, 5%, that is 12,500. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%, that is 1 lakh rupees. 10 lakh to the rest one, that is your total income is 12,69,800. So rest one is this one. So your income tax is coming 1,93,440. Now education cess and others, after adding it over, it is coming 2,01,177. So monthly it is coming 16,765. So up to this point it is okay. Now you can put and make your plan of deduction of tax month basis. It is up to you what amount you will deduct. You can deduct more or you can deduct less, but if you deduct less on the beginning of the year, the burden will come at the end of the year. So I have taken equalized amount on monthly basis, that is reflected 16,765. So you see it is matching with this thing, and this is the basic planning of your income tax deduction. Now there is another page, TDS part. So this is the details of salary and TDS for the previous year 2021, assessment year 22-23. So here same thing is there, basic salary, this is the month basis, and here it is the yearly effect. So you see again and again, that is your total income is coming, and after that getting the deductions and everything, your net tax is gross taxable income is coming 12,69,800. So now again it will come under the slab, and the total tax part it will come 2,01,177. So it is correctly matching with your calculations what you have shown over here, that is 2,01,177. So this is the basic operation of these things. You need not to do much more on it. You have to fill up the first April month data of your salary, and it is a similar way it will automatically fill up, and you will get the result of monthly tax what you should pay to government. So you can make your plan accordingly, and you can deduct your monthly salary. Again you can deduct on higher side or you can deduct on lower side, but you have to match at the end of the year. So this is the thing, and you will get the form 16 part of that also. Automatically it will generate, and after deduction of how much it is coming, you can get the same thing over here. Now I am coming the tax slab rate which I have started of this video. So again you see your gross taxable income is 17,07,200. It is showing on both sides, your old tax rate as well as your new tax rate. Under old tax rate you will get all these deductions, but under new tax rate you are not getting any deductions. So what is the basic difference of that? Your net taxable income is high under new tax rate, so you have to pay more tax under new tax slab. Alternatively, if you go by you should go simply because it is the lower part, so automatically you will get the full benefit of old tax rate. If you go by that, So your income is matching over here, and I have given the tax slab also. What is the old tax slab rate and what is the new tax slab rate? Everything is given over here, and the net difference you can see over here, that is 57,720, that is annually, and rupees 4,810 is monthly. So this is the higher side. So automatically again and again you should take the decision which tax slab rate is suitable for you, and in this scenario everybody should recommend it, the old tax slab rate is the better one. So hope you have gone through with this Excel, and I hope that it will give you enormous help for getting your tax calculations, and you have to make your plan accordingly. I think it is a very useful tool for tax planning for the year 21-22. So hope you have understood my video. I have made it in a simplest way. It is very useful and very easy to operate. Request all of you, please subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and make your comments. And obviously press the bell button so I can give you the next notification and it will automatically comes to you. Thank you friends. Thank you again and again.